I welcome you to another step-by-step tutorial on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If you have been sourcing products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are very new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and import products from China, this video right here is for you. Because in this video, I will show you on how to simply evaluate store review before you can decide and go ahead and make a purchase from a particular store. And this is one of the very important things you need to take into consideration before you can consider to purchase from a store or from a supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step tutorial. So let's find out. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to check for store rating or store evaluation, which is one of the important factors you need to take into consideration before you can purchase or before you can make a purchase from any store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo shopping app. Then after you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, let's say for instance you want to buy from any of the store right here. For instance, you want to buy from this particular store right here. So first things first, click on the store link. So when you click on the store link, it opens up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. And then for you to check on all the store rating, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. Now you have store rating of different categories. The first one here is all rating so far about the product, which is about 4,586 rating right here. You can scroll down right here and check on more rating as far as this is concerned. Okay, now this type of rating will come from different products. This is depends on the number of products the store is selling. Okay, now let's say for instance you want to check rating by people that upload pictures. Click on here. So here you see the rating of people that upload the picture of the product as well. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different ratings right here. Now for you to read what was rated by different buyers right here, you have to make sure you translate this page. If you don't know how to translate this page, follow the step I'm about to show you in this video. First thing first, make sure you make a screenshot of this page. After you make a screenshot of the page, exit from your Pinduoduo shopping app, then you head over to your Chrome browser. So right here, I'm going to simply click on my Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome browser. Then after open up my Chrome browser, next thing I'm going to do is to click on this plus sign right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this camera icon. Then I'm going to select the translate. Then select the screenshot. Select the screenshot. So allow it to translate. You can see fast delivery is fast. The delivery is fast. The service is good and it is just right. Overall, I like it very much. Take a look at the rating right here. So then another one here, affordable. I bought it with the intention of giving it a try. The price performance ratio is high and is very affordable. You can see what the previous buyer have to say right here. It's that simple. So we can go back into Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Now, if you want to check on the store rating by different buyer in the store so far, you can check on by video right here. Click on the video here. You see previous buyer upload product video and also putting in their rating, just like what you see right here. Checking on this is very much important as this determines the legit and the quality of the product by the supplier before you go ahead and decide to make a purchase from them. The next one right here is return buyer. So if you take a look at this section right here, these are the people that consistently buy from this store, maybe the same product or another product line, but they always come back to buy from this particular store. So this is another factors you need to take into consideration before you can assure that the supplier is genuine and they are selling a quality product. Check on the last one right here, which is also product rating by picture from different buyer. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to check for store rating of products on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress in order to ascertain the quality and the legit of the store before you go ahead and make a purchase from that particular store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.